Welcome to my HHO fuel cell project. I'm excited to share my DIY journey with you. This device splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using electrolysis. The hydrogen gas is then used as a clean-burning fuel. My fuel cell consists of stainless steel plates, a plastic electrolyte chamber, and a DC power supply. I've added a bubbler to collect and measure the hydrogen gas output. The electrolysis process is simple yet fascinating. As the electric current flows, water molecules are split, releasing hydrogen and oxygen gases. This technology has the potential to increase fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. I'm looking forward to sharing more about my project and learning from others in the field.